The job description of a junior accountant involves a delicate balance of financial discipline, accuracy, and adaptability. Junior accountants are the backbone of a financial department, responsible for managing and maintaining financial transactions, reconciling accounts, and assisting in the preparation of financial reports. Although their role may be considered entry-level in many organizations, it is a crucial first step in developing a strong understanding of financial practices and a rewarding career in accounting. Junior accountants typically report to a senior accountant or finance manager and work closely with the rest of the accounting team. They are expected to perform their duties with diligence, discretion, and a keen eye for detail. Often the first point of contact for financial data and transactions, junior accountants help maintain the financial health and stability of their companies. Primary responsibilities of a junior accountant. The job description of a junior accountant comprises a range of responsibilities designed to provide a solid foundation in accounting practices. Among their most fundamental duties is the recording of financial transactions. Junior accountants are responsible for entering transactions into the company's accounting software accurately and promptly. This process typically involves verifying and classifying transactions, from supplier payments and customer payments to expense reports, and then posting them to the appropriate ledger accounts. Maintaining financial records is another key responsibility. Junior accountants must keep their ledger accounts up to date and in proper order, reflecting all financial transactions accurately. They may be responsible for reconciling bank statements against ledger transactions, investigating and addressing any discrepancies to match financial reports to actual bank activity. Furthermore, a junior accountant assists in the preparation of financial reports and statements. Although the final reports are typically reviewed by a senior accountant or finance manager, junior accountants may be responsible for collecting data, organizing it in spreadsheets or specialized software, and preparing preliminary reports. These reports may include trial balances, income statements, balance sheets, or cash flow reports, all valuable documents for understanding the financial health of the organization. Managing accounts payable and receivable is another key area of responsibilities for a junior accountant. They may process payments to vendors and suppliers, match payments against outstanding invoices, and resolve any disputes or discrepancies. On the receivable side, a junior accountant may be responsible for generating and sending customer invoices, recording payments upon receipt, and following up on overdue payments to help keep cash flow healthy. Junior accountants may also be called upon to perform expense reports, track expenses against budget, and prepare reports to aid in financial oversight. They typically handle tasks such as verifying expense submissions from employees, checking for policy compliance, and posting expenses to the ledger. Additionally, a junior accountant assists in periodic financial audits. They may gather documents and reports for internal or external auditors, respond to questions, and help resolve any issues that arise during the audit process. They may also aid in filing and organizing financial documents to maintain a clear and compliant financial record. Support and compliance. Junior accountants are expected to stay compliant with financial regulations and internal controls. They must follow proper procedures to account for transactions, report financial data accurately, and safeguard financial information. They may be called upon to implement or check controls, such as approval processes and reconciliation routines, to help minimize fraud and error. Furthermore, a junior accountant plays a key role in helping their department prepare for audits, whether internal or external, by organizing documents, reconciling transactions, and addressing questions promptly. Staying up to date on accounting standards, financial regulations, and internal policy is an essential part of their responsibilities. Essential skills and qualities for the role. To be a successful junior accountant, a combination of technical and interpersonal skills is required. Accuracy and strong attention to detail are perhaps the most important traits, given the large volumes of financial transactions that must be processed and reconciled accurately. An oversight by a junior accountant can affect financial reports and undermine confidence in financial oversight. Proficiency in Microsoft Excel and specialized accounting software, such as QuickBooks, Xero, or Oracle, is a key technical requirement for this role. Junior accountants should be comfortable using spreadsheets to manipulate financial data and prepare reports and should be able to learn and navigate specialized software quickly. Good organizational skills are also essential. A junior accountant may handle numerous transactions and responsibilities at once. Staying organized and meeting timelines is imperative to avoid backlogs or inaccuracies. The ability to prioritize tasks, manage responsibilities, and handle pressure gracefully is a desirable trait. Excellent communication skills are necessary to resolve questions or disputes and to collaborate effectively with colleagues in the finance department. Furthermore, discretion and integrity are imperative when accessing financial documents and transactions. Junior accountants must be trustworthy and able to handle sensitive financial information responsibly. Work environment and challenges. Junior accountants typically work in an office setting alongside a team of finance and accounting professionals. The workplace is fast-paced and deadline-oriented, particularly during financial closing periods, audits, and the preparation of reports. Nonetheless, many find this role rewarding and challenging, a perfect opportunity to learn and grow in a financial discipline. Some organizations may require their junior accountants to travel occasionally, for training or meetings, or to perform inventories or audits at different locations. Nonetheless, most responsibilities can be performed at a desk, using a computer and specialized financial software. This role can be challenging due to the volume of transactions processed daily and the necessity for absolute accuracy. Furthermore, a junior accountant must be able to absorb and apply knowledge quickly, adapt to changing priorities, and resolve problems under pressure. Nonetheless, these responsibilities create a strong foundation for future roles within finance and accounting, offering valuable experience that can lead to promotion and greater responsibilities. Educational requirements and training. Most organizations require a minimum of a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field for a junior accountant position. Some may consider a diploma or associate degree in accounting if the candidate has relevant experience or certifications. Furthermore, certifications such as ACCA, CMA, or CPA, although not immediately required, can enhance employment prospects and future career progression. Training typically involves a combination of on-the-job mentoring and formal training sessions. Junior accountants may shadow more experienced members of the team, learn from their expertise, and gradually take on responsibilities under supervision. Continuing education, whether through online modules or classroom training, is often encouraged to keep skills up to date and to stay informed about changing financial regulations and standards. Conclusion. The job description of a junior accountant underscores a role that is both challenging and rewarding, perfect for a detail-oriented, motivated, and adaptable individual who wants to pursue a career in accounting and finance. Although this is an entry-level role, the responsibilities and skills required to perform it successfully form a strong foundation for future roles in financial management. Junior accountants learn how to handle financial transactions, produce reports, reconcile accounts, and resolve discrepancies, all while developing discipline, diligence, and a keen understanding of financial operations. The experience gained in this role prepares them for promotions to more senior positions, such as accountant, financial controller, or even chief financial officer. Ultimately, a junior accountant plays a key role in helping their organization stay compliant, well-managed, and financially healthy, a role that directly supports informed decision-making and future growth. For those who enjoy working with numbers, appreciate order and precision, and wish to pursue a career in finance, this role offers an ideal starting point.